I can't believe how colorful these flowers are. It's like something out of a fairy tale. Look at that butterfly, Ethan. I found it. Look. Whoa, look at this key. It's glowing. And the ground is sparkling everywhere. Find the clue. I almost touched it. Come back. Look! Wow, a treasure chest. Well, look at that. What's inside? Oh, wow! It's incredible. It says clue number 1. We actually found it. I don't get it. What are we supposed to do?
Look, if you turn this one, it lines up with the rainbow. A clue helps solve a mystery.
Look, I think that's it. The Rainbow Tower. I solved the clue. It's actually glowing. We have to go up there. The colors touch the sky. Correct! 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 Wow, look at that light! It's beautiful. Look at the colors. It's beautiful. It's really here. Look at the sparkles. It's amazing, son. I can't believe it. Wow, look at how it glows. You found the clue. What does it say? I got it. Look! Whoa! It glows! Amazing! We did it! Find the singing water. That must be it. Yeah. I found it. The Whispering Falls are right here.
And the parrot says the key is hidden nearby.
Okay, the clue is folded. Ethan, look! The water is singing! It's amazing! Follow me! Follow me! Look! It's making music! It's beautiful! Whoa! Look at that!
It's beautiful!
It's beautiful! Incredible! Whoa! Look at that!
It's beautiful!
It's beautiful! Incredible! Wow! Look at the symbols! It's really glowing! Do you think it's the one?
I've never seen anything like it.
It's incredible! Ethan, look! I think someone's watching us.
Be careful. That key opens more than just doors. Wait, where did he go?
Who was that man? What is it, Dad? Look, it's a map. I think this shows us where to go next.
There it is, the secret island.
We have to go there, Dad. It looks amazing. Rainbow Island. It's pulling me right towards the island. Wow, look how close it is now. Follow the path. Wow, look at them go! They're like rainbows in the air. It's absolutely breathtaking. Whoa, look at the colors! It's amazing. I want to touch one. Look, glowing footprints.
Whoa, where do they go?
Be careful, you two. It says T-R-U-T-H. Truth. Truth. Whoa, look at those trees. They sparkle like glitter. I want to touch one. Look at the lights! It's beautiful. Look, Ethan, the castles are glowing. I can't believe the water is flowing up.
Hello there, travelers. My name is Guardian Orion, and it is my honor to be the protector of this beautiful Rainbow Island. Remember, only the bravest and most kind-hearted families can truly find Rainbow Island.
Wow, look at the sky! It's amazing! The heart crystal reveals the path forward.
The treasure awaits us in the floating islands.
This is amazing! Look how high we are!
We have to be careful, though.
This is the greatest adventure ever! Ha ha ha!